Smartsheet versus Airtable, two of the most popular tools for teams who want to stay organized and manage work. But big question is which one is better for you? Which one help you to save more time and keep your project clean and work together with your team and simple way? If you have been confused between these two tools, don't worry, stick with me till the end because by the end of this video you will know exactly which tool will be the best fit for your work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology easy and useful for your business. If that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the subscribe and don't forget to check the link in the description below for free trial and special offers. Okay, now let's jump in the video. First, let's talk about who these tools are for. Let's start with the Smartsheet. Smartsheet is made for teams who are used to spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheet but want more power for project management. It's perfect for companies, project managers, and teams who need to track tasks, budget, and deadlines, and also need to track the big project in one place. And on the other hand, we have the Airtable. Airtable is more flexible and fun, and you can think of it like a mix of a spreadsheet and a database. It's made for creator, startup, marketer, and even small businesses who want something simple but also customizable. If you like visuals, drag and drop, and working in colorful way, Airtable is the tool for you. Now let's talk about which one is easier to use. Smartsheet feels like Excel on steroid. If you know spreadsheet, you will feel at home. But it can get heavy very quickly because it has many features. Sometimes it feels like too professional and not super friendly for beginners. Airtable, on the other hand, is very beginner friendly. It has templates, drag and drop feature, and different views like calendar, gallery, Kanban board, and the grid style. It feels light and smooth even if you are a new user. So the winner for ease of use is the Airtable. Now let's talk about the features. Smartsheet is all about serious project management. You get the Gantt chart, resource management, reporting, and the automation. It's like a full project control center, perfect for big teams or companies with a lot of moving parts. Airtable is more about flexibility. You can build a database for almost anything, content calendar, product launches, inventory, or even personal tasks. You also get the automation, integrations, apps, but it's more playful than serious. So what is the final verdict? The verdict is that Smartsheet is better for structured project and companies, while other side the Airtable is better for if you want creative and flexibility. So both tools are strong here. Smartsheet lets you share sheets, assign tasks, add comment, and even control permission for team members. This is great for large teams, right? Other side, Airtable also let you share the bases and the tag teammates and comment, but it's more open and friendly. It feels less strict and more creative, which is great for smaller teams. So for big corporation teams, Smartsheet is winner, and for small and creative team, Airtable is better. Now let's talk about the price. Smartsheet start at around $9 per month per user, but most of the teams go for the $25, which is the business plan, because that's where the strong features are. And if you are a big company, that price makes the sense. Airtable start at free and the paid plan start at around $20 per month per user, which unlocks more storage, more records, and more automation. So if you are just starting, Airtable gives you more value for money. Spreadsheet can feel too heavy if you just want something simple. It's more serious and sometimes not very friendly to look at. Airtable is super easy and colorful, but it has limits if your team grows very big, and large companies might find it too light. So Spreadsheet is like a professional office tool. Airtable is like a creative studio. So this was the video for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video.